In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export your data from Jotform in just about 5 minutes. Whether you're looking to back up your forms, submissions, or simply need to transfer your data elsewhere, this guide will help you through the process smoothly and efficiently. Let's get started. First off, head over to Jotform's official website. You'll find the web page as a resourceful platform for creating online forms. If you're new to Jotform, take a moment to explore its features. It's a powerful tool for gathering information and insights. Once you're familiar with the page, the next step is to log into your account. At the top right corner of the page, you'll notice the login button. Clicking on this will take you to the sign-in page where you have a couple of options for accessing your account. If your Jotform account is connected to a Google account or another platform, select the appropriate option. This is a neat feature as it streamlines the login process, allowing you to use existing accounts instead of remembering another set of credentials. Now that you're logged in, navigate to the My Forms section. This part of the website showcases all your created and saved forms. It's essentially your workspace in Jotform where you can manage, edit, and view form submissions. In the top right corner of the My Forms page, you'll find your profile icon. Clicking this icon reveals several options, including your account settings. Go ahead and click on Settings to proceed to the next step. This area of your account is the control center for various configurations and preferences, letting you customize your Jotform experience to suit your needs. Within the Settings menu, look for the Data option and click on it. This section is crucial for managing how your data is stored, accessed, and exported. It features several tools and options dedicated to data privacy and security, ensuring your information is handled responsibly. As you arrive in the data settings, you'll see an option labeled Download My Data. This feature is designed for users who wish to export their data from Jotform for backup purposes or to reuse the data in other applications. It's a straightforward way to keep your collected data secure and accessible outside of Jotform. Upon selecting Download My Data, you'll be prompted to create new export. This initiation process starts the preparation of your data for download. Jotform needs a moment to compile all your forms, submissions, and related data into a downloadable package. Finally, click on Prepare Download. Jotform will then process your data export request. Depending on the amount of data you have, this might take a few moments. It's preparing your data in a format that's easy to download and manage, whether you're an individual or a business looking to analyze the data further. And there you have it. You've just walked through the steps to export your data from Jotform. Remember, exporting your data regularly is a good practice, ensuring you have backup copies and facilitating data management off the platform. A few additional tips to enhance your experience: check the email associated with your Jotform account, as you'll receive a notification once your data export is ready for download. Also, consider the security of your exported data. Make sure you store it in a secure location, especially if it contains sensitive information. Thank you for following along with this tutorial on exporting your data from Jotform. If you found this guide helpful, give us a thumbs up, and remember to subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Until next time,